Have you ever wondered what collagen peptides are and how they can help reduce wrinkles? Well, let's dive right into it. Imagine collagen peptides as tiny but mighty proteins. They are derived from larger collagen molecules and are essentially a form of protein made up of amino acids. Specifically, they're made up of the same set of amino acids and nutrients as collagen, but are in a different form. Now you might be wondering where these collagen peptides come from. They're naturally produced in our bodies. Yes, that's right. Our bodies are quite the marvel, aren't they? In addition to being naturally produced, collagen peptides play a vital role in maintaining our skin health. They act as the building blocks of our skin, contributing to its elasticity and hydration. So, collagen peptides are essentially the building blocks of your skin, helping to maintain its structure and health. Now that we understand what collagen peptides are, let's delve into how they can help reduce wrinkles. Collagen peptides are essentially small chains of amino acids that serve as building blocks for proteins in our body, including collagen. Collagen, as many of you might know, is the most abundant protein in our body, providing structure to our skin. As we age, our natural collagen production begins to slow down. This decline in collagen production is one of the primary reasons behind the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. It's like a building losing its scaffolding over time, causing the structure, our skin in this case, to sag and wrinkle. But here's where collagen peptides come into play. These small protein chains, when ingested, are easily absorbed by our body due to their smaller size. They then stimulate the body's collagen production, acting like a wake-up call to our sluggish collagen-producing cells. So imagine this, you're essentially providing your body with the raw materials it needs to rebuild its own collagen scaffolding. This increased collagen production helps to restore the skin's elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It's like a natural facelift from the inside out. And the best part? It doesn't involve any invasive procedures or artificial fillers. It's all about nourishing your body with what it needs to maintain its youthful glow. Therefore, by stimulating collagen production, collagen peptides can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Beyond reducing wrinkles, collagen peptides offer a host of other benefits. These tiny protein powerhouses are more than just a beauty booster. They also contribute significantly to our overall health. Let's start with skin hydration. Collagen peptides are like a tall glass of water for your skin. They help to retain moisture, keeping your skin plump and dewy. This is particularly beneficial in drier climates or during those harsh winter months when your skin might be begging for a little extra hydration. Next, let's talk about skin elasticity. As we age, our skin loses its ability to snap back into place, a key quality known as elasticity. Collagen peptides, however, can help. They support the production of elastin, a protein that gives skin its stretch. So, by incorporating collagen peptides into your routine, you're essentially giving your skin a much-needed elasticity boost. But the benefits of collagen peptides don't stop at the skin. They also play a crucial role in joint health. By providing the necessary building blocks, collagen peptides support the maintenance and repair of our cartilage, the rubbery substance that protects our joints. Additionally, collagen peptides contribute to bone strength. Our bones are made up largely of collagen, which gives them structure and helps keep them strong. So, collagen peptides can support bone health by promoting new bone formation and preventing bone loss. In essence, collagen peptides are a powerful tool not only for maintaining skin health and reducing wrinkles, but also for improving overall health. If you want to know what food can support your collagen production, then check out my video about 10 collagen-rich foods to add to your diet. In conclusion, collagen peptides are a key ingredient in maintaining youthful, healthy skin. This powerful protein is the building block of not just our skin, but also our hair, nails, and even our joints. It's the glue that holds us together, if you will. We've learned that as we age, our body's natural production of collagen begins to slow down. This decrease is what leads to the formation of wrinkles and sagging skin. But by supplementing with collagen peptides, we can help to counteract this process. These peptides are readily absorbed by the body, where they work their magic, promoting skin hydration, elasticity, and overall health. Beyond the skin, collagen peptides also support bone and joint health, and can even contribute to a healthy gut. So, they're not just a beauty booster, they're a holistic health helper. So next time you see a product boasting about its collagen peptides, you'll know exactly what they're talking about and how it can help you maintain a youthful glow.